Welcome to 2548 Southwest Kalama Avenue. Located in Julina Park, this home is 3 beds, 2.5 baths, has a triple garage, RV parking, a sprinkler system in front and back, fully renovated kitchen. Just an awesome location in town, close to the Dry Canyon, close to shopping and food. Everything that you need is just down the road. It's very quick to local schools as well. Just a great location. I'll show you inside and around. Now inside the front door, passing through the foyer into the great room space, you can see there's LVP throughout, fresh paint. It's light, bright, good views of the neighborhood, the all-important gas fireplace, and the pass-through into the kitchen with brand new quartz counters, single bay sink, nice garden window. All the appliances included and are like new. There's a pantry. Coat closet and under stair storage. That's a huge space right there. The slider onto the big backyard, very private. It's a little undeveloped at this time, but there's a sprinkler system back there. And the downstairs half bath. Toilet's right behind the door there, but very convenient with that layout. And then on the main floor, we also have the utility room with hanging bar, lots of space, very convenient. Has that same LVP flooring in there. Just an awesome main floor layout. Completely dialed and ready to go. Upstairs, moving through the hallway into the primary bedroom, easily fits a king-size bed with end tables. Lots of light through this northern-facing set of windows. There is a walk-in closet behind the bypass doors. Primary with double vanity. Fiberglass shower. And right behind the door here is the toilet space. The ceiling fan, great to have for air circulation into one of the 2 guest bedrooms. Southern facing window gives lots of light. Same with this bedroom, good southern facing window, super bright. And into the guest bathroom, good size vanity, tub shower combination, really a great layout there. And the stairway down to the main floor. And your upstairs hall closet for linens. Everything dialed, ready to go. Newer carpet and paint throughout. Now in the backyard, you can see there's excellent light back here. Southern exposure. It's a big area, a little undeveloped, but there is a sprinkler system that's tapped to the front. Fully operational, just needs some more turf and topsoil. And then the all-important RV parking area. Gas meter there, but lots of room to get extra vehicle, trailer, RV. If you need to have a storage shed back here, lots of space in this backyard. Fully fenced, quite private. Good southern exposure for a garden if you want. There's a little patio out back. Leads right into the great room. Just an awesome backyard.